guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I went shopping. Then this is the fabric that I bought. Guys, can you see? This is kind of taffeta. Guys, can you see the black color? Well, I bought this Akara material, Akara fabric, but it's not. It doesn't look like Akara. It's kind of cute. I bought my brown paper because the one that I have has already finished. Guys, guess what? I bought scuba. No, not kind of scuba, but I bought, I don't know, scrapic or scraper. I don't know what it's called, but I just saw the material and I love it. It's stretchy. And I bought my zipper. Guys, I bought my designer's button, and it's very cheap. Like, it's very cheap. I bought my zippers. Guys, I don't know what happened to me. I just saw this material and I loved it, and it's kind of confusing now. What am I going to use this fabric? What design am I going to make with this fabric? And I bought this one also, this taffeta and this pink lace. So I wanted this pink lace to be, I wanted to make it skirts, like pencil skirts, and I'm going to show you guys what I decided to make with it. And this is another fabric that I bought. It's kind of cute and it's not expensive. Yeah, and I equally bought this kind of lining to this, but as you can see, it's not the same color with this pink lace, so I'm going to go with this color. Yeah, so this kind of matches with this, so for the dimness of the clothes to be, guys. So guys, finally I bought my Reaper, my seam Reaper. Gosh, guys, if you went online, like they are selling this seam Reaper for 500 naira, 1,000 naira, and I said to myself, if I order this, then I'm going to pay for delivery fee to make it like 2,000 naira for this. And the way that they showed it online is kind of bigger than this, but when I went to market today, I asked of it. You guys, you know how much I bought this? If you know how much I bought, just drop your comments in the comment box. Tell me, just guess how much I bought this seam Reaper. Guys, as in all these things that I bought, the one that I love the most is this machine motor. Guys, can you see? Yeah, I just bought this today. So this is the battery, the sewing motor that you have to fix at the back of your machine, and this is the drive. So I'm going to show you guys how, or I'm going to make a video on how you can fix your electric machine motor to the back of your machine, so that your seam will be kind of neat and faster also. Guys, if you use this, you are going to, in fact, you will stop using leg to swing your machine. You are going as in a. So guys, that's all. As I so much love what I bought today. It's kind of giving me joy. Like, It's kind of like the second time or the third that I bought something that I know that my money worth it. Like, as in, if you're seeing what you bought, you'll be like, yes, yes, at least I didn't waste money. Guys, can you see this? Like, this material is over cute. So guys, see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and share this video. So that is all.